Welcome to Smart Tool Buddy. In this video, we are going to review on Philips Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock. Experience unparalleled security and convenience with this Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock. The sophisticated keyless entry system combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it an ideal choice for modern homes. Key features: multiple unlock methods. Enjoy versatile entry options with fingerprint recognition, PIN codes, the Philips Home Access app, and traditional keys. Choose the method that best suits your lifestyle and ensures seamless access to your home. Remote control with Wi-Fi bridge. Included Wi-Fi bridge adapter allows integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. Remotely unlock your door from anywhere using the Philips Home Access app, providing convenience and peace of mind. Effortless fingerprint recognition. Quickly and securely unlock your door with a simple touch. The advanced fingerprint recognition system ensures swift access for you and your family. Auto lock feature. Integrated door position sensors automatically lock the door when closed, enhancing security and eliminating worries about forgetting to lock up. Temporary one-time PIN codes. Generate temporary PIN codes for guests or service technicians through the Philips Home Access app. These codes automatically expire after use, ensuring one-time access only. Easy installation. Designed for a hassle-free installation process, this keyless entry door lock fits a wide range of standard door preparations and can be installed with just a screwdriver in minutes. Why purchase this product? Enhanced security. The combination of fingerprint recognition, auto-locking, and temporary PIN codes offers robust security features to protect your home. Smart home integration. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, this smart lock allows seamless integration into your existing smart home ecosystem. Convenient access. Multiple unlocking methods, including remote access via the app, provide flexibility and ease of use, making it simple to manage entry to your home. Effortless installation. The straightforward installation process means you can upgrade your door lock quickly and without professional assistance. Peace of mind. With features like auto-locking and remote control, you can rest assured that your home is secure even when you're away. Upgrade your home security with the Philips Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock and enjoy the perfect blend of modern convenience and advanced protection. Please follow and subscribe to us for more videos like this.